So let's talk about the curriculum for this course. This course, as we said, is about supply chain planning and design. So the first chapter, we will talk about an overview of supply chain design and what are the decisions that companies do for their design based on their strategy. So we'll talk about Walmart, Zara, we'll talk about Dell, we'll talk about IKEA, those big leaders in their industries and how they design their supply chain according to their strategy. And you will notice that every company of them have a specific strategy that they apply, and the design is adapted accordingly. In the same chapter as well, we will start introducing some simple optimization problems, such as the resource utilization and the production scheduling problem. And we will do this inside Excel. And then later on, in the following two sections, we will talk about Python and how you can install Python if you did not install Python already. And also a section, those two sections are not mandatory. If you know Python or if you have Python, you might not take them if you want, or you can take them just as a refreshment. So it's more generic. It's not related to design, but so this is to get us up and running with Python and Anaconda. After this, we will talk about Pulp, which is the Python library, one of the Python libraries for optimization. And we will use Pulp a lot in production scheduling, in resource utilization, and in supply chain network design as well. So in this section, we will talk about how to use Pulp and what are the variables, what is the objective function, how can we define constraints, and so on. And then we'll talk about the supply chain network design, the facility allocation problem, and how many warehouses should we open. And then we will talk about advanced models in Pulp. And we will talk about advanced network models with Pulp. And we will do the same also with Excel. And those will include transportation flows, opening DCs, going from which plant to which DC to which store, and all of these advanced problems that faces us in the design of the supply chain, we will solve it together with Excel and Pulp. And then we'll move more on the very short term or the operational side, which is the route optimization and the last mile delivery. And this is widely used by freight forwarders and door-to-door service providers, where they have a lot of customers in a specific area and they want to schedule the route to serve all the customers, meeting their schedule, for example, and at the same time minimizing the cost of transportation and delivery. So this is an overview of this course. I hope you enjoy, and let's dive in.